October 20, 2020. Yes. Now then we call remember. That is why we are here. Government they try to deny say it happened, but we will never let that happen. Have you not been so? But I beg, I don't want to comfortable here. Hold on first. We don't want to make anybody make this movement in a political anything. No be campaign, no be anything. And we don't want day we just block road for everybody. I beg. So this conference all day, more carry this conference, more carry them go to these coffees are very symbolic. Now here where they kill our people. So we will drop this coffee for them, make them get out. Now them get out. So I beg, no carry this coffees, go drop out for the focus now. Let's go, let's sing along. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Let's go.
Macaroni here from Falz, the bad guy. Being a musician for Nigeria. And from what you talk, say the coffins where they see for this video. What you mean, I say, and you remember people where they say died for the Lekki toll gate. So despite all their efforts, they said they go dump this coffin so that they see for this toll gate. Use and continue to remind themselves. I beg, come on for you. I'll quit, yeah.
Unexpected.
I'll quit, yeah. Okay. That's not just a moment of what the police just do to disperse the people where they carry out that procession with tear gas. Like tear gas, police use to disperse everybody. The moment the tear gas go down, the procession scatter. Armed policemen, 9 days here. Armed police officers, 9 days here. When the tear gas shoot from what just happened a few minutes ago. Mr. Sowore,
Yes.
What does this day remind you?
It's the same thing we are talking about. The police has not changed their ways.
You see,
They are attacking peaceful protesters on a day that they know is our day. It's the day of those who are killed at Lekki toll gate. Why are they shooting at people? And they think we will run away from them.
We are not running to anywhere. We are not going to anywhere. We cannot be inside water and soap will be entering our eye. Never. Darkness can never rule over light. The time has come for the earth to vomit what is swallowed. Evil people can never rule over
Mr. Sowore,
Yes.
you have been at the forefront calling for
Get it right this time around.
Do you see any change happening in the future?
You have seen it's not happening, and that's why we have to change the country now. You know, and that's why I'm talking to their boss. This is rubbish, complete rubbish. You can't be shooting tear gas at people who have not provoked you in any way.
They are aware you are a presidential candidate and you are joining this protest.
I've been protesting for 30 years. When I was a toddler. Don't blackmail me with your presidential candidate. I started Endsars.
I'm asking because now,
So
if the police are aware that you are here, they are